Shenzhen ForwardVideo Technology Company Limited focused on audiovisual capture and streaming solutions, with strong respect for intellectual property rights and strict compliance with quality and environmental responsibilities. We are members of HDMI, HDCP, and BQB, and certified under ISO 9001 and ISO 14001, combining cutting-edge technology, rigorous quality control, and flexible cartoonization. We market our own brand, ezcap, worldwide, while also providing OEM and ODM services for global partners. Our main product line is capture card for recording and live streaming, widely used in 5 key fields: camera live broadcasting, industrial inspection, medical imaging, and professional media production. Another category is portable audio players, including SIP player recorders, turntables, and hand crank emergency radio. All products are designed in compliance with CE, RoHS, FCC, and UL standards. From the early design stage, our R&D team selects materials that ensure stability under static electricity, temperature, vibration, and salt spray tests. Our latest innovations include HDMI and USB-C ALTDP capture cards for NMP switch and VR headsets, 10G HDMI capture cards for PS5 and PC gaming, DP capture cards with PD charging, capture cards with docking functions, AHD capture solutions, and aluminum alloy cassette recorders for a modern retro experience. Warmly welcome to talk with us for cooperation.